Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and today we're gonna make your feet smile with this Breo foot massager. It was sent to me to put to the test to share with you, and look forward to diving in and how my experience is and how it all works. Let's talk about what is included. And by the way, I will be sure to put a link in the description as well as in the comments section below so you could check it out. It makes sense you can order it. It does have this booklet here, and you've got all that good information there. It also has, which is nice, it has these liners, and the liners are here, so you can replace these. It has the zipper easily to be able to remove the liner. And on the bottom, you have the legs. These are rubberized bottoms, so it keeps the foot massager from moving around and stays in place. And then here is where the power source is. It is not rechargeable, so do keep that in mind, and there is no remote control. But with this unit, it does have some nice big buttons and easy to read. For sizing, it does recommend up to a size 12. I'm an 11.5, and I think a 12 to 12.5 is cutting it close, but certainly I think you can probably go to a size 12. Now, as far as the foot massager, who is this for? This is for somebody just wants to add relief. You're dealing with foot pain, you are dealing with nerve issues, and so you need to improve circulation. Now, as far as the unit, you have 4 functions. You've got your power, so on and off. You have your mode, 3 levels, white, green, and red. Red is level 3. And then the same thing, you got 3 levels on strength. So you can decide which level you want. They're independent of each other, which is nice. And your heat. Is heat, I don't know if I could say I feel that much of an impact as far as heat goes, but it says there is heat. So I have not really felt like it's made that much of a difference as far as heat goes. It does have a 15-minute auto shut off as well. So you can give yourself a nice foot massage over 15 minutes. And then if you want, you could do another one. It says that you shouldn't do more than 2 sessions, basically 30 minutes. Now, as far as the unit, what it provides is deep kneading, compression, scraping, rolling, and again, it does have some heating. Again, I've not felt like the heating is that impactful. Now, as far as the foot and the way this massager works, towards your bottom of your foot near your toes, you're going to feel that rolling feel. And then the rest of your foot, you're gonna have the kneading and pressing and scraping, and it feels good in combination. And when you put all the mode and the strength on red, it feels great, and I like that tightness of the compression. So overall, it's a very good massager. It feels good. If you, again, are looking for something that's gonna give more heat, not saying, and I don't necessarily think that this is going to be the way to go for heat, but if you want a nice massage and feels good, then definitely check out the Breo foot massager. I'll be sure to put a link to this one so you could check it out, and makes for a nice gift. Also, again, just keep in mind it doesn't have a remote control, but right now, as it's going on, I really feel that tight compression right around my feet, and it feels so good. So let me know if you have any questions. Check it out today. Appreciate the company sending it to me. Hope you have a great day, and stay pain-free and keep your feet smiling.